record this, we also want to show names of annotators. Okay, so we also want the participants list. And we want to put it right here, and then put it like that. And then make it like that. Perfect. So who's first? Aryan. Okay, so okay, so first is Udrit. So Udrit, you can do this one after I write the ABCs. Because I didn't write the ABCs yet.
I accidentally pressed the wrong one. But I can do it without the ABCs, so you don't have to write it.
But other people might have questions and they might raise their hands and they might need the ABCs if they can see a better move or yeah.
Okay,
they might
so
need
you
the
can just write it.
C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Okay.
H. Okay.
Yeah. I love the ones where it's sacrificing. So this is one. So rook on H1 can capture the bishop on H7. Then the king will take back. Then the rook will be undefended. The king will capture it. And then we have a bishop. Or I can say it in simpler. Rook H7. No, rook H1 to X H7. Then the black king takes, and king of 3 X E4.
So, since this bishop is protecting, if we kill the bishop like this, then it's going to be gone, and then the king can just kill a rook. And then since this protecting is gone, we can just kill this rook.
Yes. And I was asking something else.
Yeah,
can
what?
Okay, never mind.
Okay,
and
what?
Can we just finish this thing quick? And can you not ask us to rejoin at 3:30, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye? What?
I said bye, but that means mute.
Okay. Who's next? Aryan. First of all, I need to. And then I can draw. And then I can unmute Aryan. So Aryan, yeah, you can do the stuff.
I would move the bishop to B.
So it's B.
B6. Bishop
B6. And then this pawn would kill. Pretty obvious. Maybe. Just maybe. Then it is rook to rook D1 captures D7, which is basically capturing the the bishop. So this knight is protecting this bishop, and if we can just kill this knight, then this pawn would kill us. Then we could just, since there's nothing protecting this bishop, we could just kill the bishop. And then we could just erase all the drawings, and we could get our mouse and then scroll down. Okay, we got 2 more rows, guys. 2 more rows and then we're done. So I'm just gonna get our text box. And then let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, yeah. So who is now it? So Neil, you can do the one where the ABCs are, which is on the
Okay,
party.
so wait, so what do we have to do again? We have to we have to eliminate end material thingy?
Yeah.
Okay, so white's moving right?
Yep.
Okay, so we have, okay. Let's see. Okay, I would move the bishop to what is it? Yeah, D1, 2, 3, 4, D5.
Yeah. So but Neil,
Wait, never mind. I would move the rook to D1, 2, 3, 5, 8, D8.
mhm.
Then because then the rook is protecting the knight, but then if you kill that rook that's protecting the knight, then the bishop can go ahead and kill the knight, and yeah,
Yeah.
they'll
So
have an advantage.
mhm. So Neil, an easy way to memorize your notations is you can just remember that this is the 8th row. This is the 8th row. So if it's black's row, then this is the 8th. So if the last row is where black is, which is this row, then that's the 8th row. If it's where white is, and like if white's playing on that row, then it's the first row. So if you like you said to what's it called? Yeah, kill this rook. So all I can do is you can just memorize that this is black's row, which means it's eights. It's the 8th row, and yeah, and then you can also if you wanted to kill this knight, like you just said the first time, which was wrong, but yeah, you were counting. Instead of doing that, you can just do 8 minus 4, which means it's the first one. I mean, 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5, so that's the 5th notation. That's what you can do to memorize your notes and stuff like that. So, what's next? Who's next? I meant. Who's next? Who's next? Select. Okay. We can just get our line. And then E4. What? You can do the one where the A, B, C's are.
Okay, it's white's turn, so the rook on D3 kills the black rook.
Rook. Where did the rooks come from?
No, the knight.
Yeah.
And then once you kill that, you can take your bishop and kill the bishop on D7.
Yeah. So what you're saying is do this, then they do this, then you do this. Yes. So since this knight is protecting this bishop, you are just gonna kill this knight with your knight. And then this pawn is just gonna kill you. Then you can just kill your bishop. His bishop. And then yeah. So who is next? Draw. First of all, Krish, what's your question?
In the second one, when the horse, when the knight gets the other knight, they maybe use the bishop to get the white bishop instead of hitting the knight.
So, can you say that one more time?
So now, if they do bishop to c5, I mean not that, knight to c5, white knight to c5, and then they maybe use black bishop to a4 instead of hitting the knight.
First of all, which one are you talking about? This one right here?
No, the second one in the row.
This one.
Yeah.
So how can that bishop even go? Oh yeah. So if you kill this, then what would happen next?
And then you see that black bishop?
Yeah.
He maybe hit the white bishop. Go cross diagonal.
No.
No.
So, Krish, this knight is gonna kill the knight, right?
Okay,
So,
I understand. So if he hits it, he can use the knight and take the bishop out.
no. So, Krish, if this
Yeah?
knight kills this knight, then this knight is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
now
how?
I understand. So now, no, I'm telling, like, when you see the black bishop, there's a gap in the middle. So if it hits it, okay, now I get it. So when it hits it, it has to hit it, or it's gonna lose 2 powers.
It can't do that because it's white's turn.
Oh, to white's turn?
Yeah.
Yeah, first it hits it, then the black's turn.
Yeah.
So
So-
black hits the white bishop, and then, oh yeah, the knight is protecting the white bishop.
Yeah.
Okay, now I get it.
Okay. So who's next? Okay. Oh, Krish, you can do this one right here.
Okay, so for this one, it's black's turn.
Yep.
Mm,
What time is it? Just what kind of time?
okay, I got it. Can I do it?
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
black's turn. So if queen goes to c2, and queen hits the queen, and then elfin hits the queen, and then the bishop to a4 will take the knight out.
So
Yeah, and I am.
So what it's doing is, since this queen can kill this other queen, it's just gonna do that, and then we can just kill that queen with white can just kill that queen with white's rook, and then since this knight is no longer protected because the queen is gone, we can just kill the knight with our bishop. And Vishu, what's your question? See your hand up.
It's game time, isn't it?
Yeah, but we have one more row to finish, and once we finish that row, we can start game time.
Okay.
Okay. So Neil, what's your question?
Okay, so the time is 2:59.
Yeah, that's exactly what Vishu asked. But since we only have one more row, we're just gonna finish that row, and then we can start game time.
Okay. Got it.
Lower hand. Okay, so who is it? Rishi. You can do the one where the ABCs are in about like 1 minute. Just move it. Mouse. Okay, text. This. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so I would move the knight that's on g4 to F6 and kill the bishop. And then the black elephant will kill your back. And then your white elephant will kill your knight, kill the black's knight.
Can you start from like the first notation because
Yes. Sure.
Yeah.
So I would move the knight that's on g4 to f6 and kill the bishop.
Okay.
And then the elephant from the black team will kill your back. And your elephant from the white team will kill the black
Knight.
the black knight. Yeah.
So since the black bishop is protecting this black knight, and the black bishop is protected by the rook, we can just sacrifice our knight for another knight. So we can kill the bishop with our knight, and then the rook could kill us, and then or rook could kill the bishop. I mean, not the bishop, the knight back. So wait, let's just move these ABCs. Okay, stamp this. Okay, so who is next? Okay, just change already. Change. Okay, Sporty. You can do the one where the ABCs are. Oh. That's Woody. Are you there?
Yeah.
I see that you're unmuted, but I can't hear you.
Because I'm thinking.
Oh, okay.
Black's turn.
Yep, black's no, it's black turn.
So if it's black's turn, I would move a bishop to not E4.
C5.
What is it?
C5?
Yeah, C5.
Yeah. So that means kill this.
Kill. And the white would just take the bishop.
Yeah.
So we get a free black bishop.
That's not really how you're supposed to do it. So if you just get your eraser, then you can just erase these. And then you can just click on draw and then this. So what you can do is, since so you can just black can just get the rook and kill this bishop, and then the rook would kill back, and then since this bishop was protecting the knight, then this bishop can kill this knight. So that's how it's supposed to do it. So it's basically a sacrifice and then a kill. So you sacrificed your rook for a knight. So, yeah. You sacrificed your rook for a knight. Yep. So
Eliminating and the defending.
Yeah, that's what it is. And you got 3 extra points because this rook is gonna get 3 points because of the bishop, and then the 3 points is gonna, and then you actually got 1 extra point because after you kill the bishop, white gets a rook, which means that makes it like that makes white have 2 extra points, and then you can kill the knight, which is 3 points, and then you can get 1 extra point, which is not really that much. But yeah. What's next? Select. And it says this, and then that, and that, and that, blah, blah, blah. So you can just draw. Guys, this is our last one. Okay, what's, okay, okay, it's region. You can do this last one, and then we'll start game time.
Okay, I think the rook on e1 should go to e7, which kills the bishop, and then the black rook will kill the kill the rook that came to e7, and then yeah, that's it.
That's not really how you're supposed to do it. So what you can do is you can just get your draw, and yeah, so what you're supposed to do is, since what's it called what is it called yeah, so you since since this what's it called? This knight is protecting this bishop. I mean, not the bishop. Why do I keep on saying bishop? This rook. Since the knight is protecting the rook, you can just kill. You can just do. You can just get that by killing this knight. So what you can
Hello? I can't hear anybody. Cool guy, you're muted.
Oh, sorry. I was talking while I was muted. So what you could do is you could just put this rook. You could just kill this.
Question.
Now, what's your question?
So can we do game time now, because like it's 3:09?
Yeah. So you can just kill this rook. This rook, which is protecting this bishop. So if you kill that, then you die also, and then you can just kill the bishop for free. That's basically how you do it. So yeah, game time. I'm just gonna stop the thing that's happening.